Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these faux fur pom-poms for your knitted creations. So for this project we are going to be using this beautiful faux fur I got, and then also this crochet thread. It's a super fine crochet thread. I got all this stuff from Amazon. Scissors, this hobby knife or razor knife. Pretty old one, I'll link this one below as well, and then a large needle. We are going to start the project by drawing these 4.5-inch squares on the back of your fur, and then using your razor knife you're gonna start cutting it, but make sure that you don't cut all the way through. You just want to cut the backing of this fabric. So I cut it out. Now we have this 4.5-inch square. I like to take off this excess fur. And now we are going to open this crochet thread. And now we're going to grab this crochet thread and cut a maybe like a 24-inch long piece. It doesn't have to be exact. And we are going to thread our needle. So I'm going to start stitching at the bottom side of my square. Now you want to make sure that you don't poke your needle all the way through when you're stitching. You just literally want to go through the backing of this fabric, of this fur, and then come right back up. It's very easy, the most basic stitch, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of tail here. So all I'm doing is every 1/2 inch or inch or so, I'm just stitching up and down throughout this square. I try to stay close to the edge, but not too close. I'm going to stitch this all the way around. Again, your stitches don't have to be even. They don't have to be the exact same size. All you have to pay attention to is not to go through the fur to just the backing of the fabric. Okay, so I came back where I started. I just simply pull my needle out. If you flip your fur around, hopefully you won't see any of your stitches. This one is a very nice thick fur, but I only went through the backing. Now I'm going to grab these two tails and pull a little bit. See how it starts forming a little ball? And I'm going to grab my polyfill. You can decide how much you want to stuff in there. I'm trying to make a little ball with this polyfill. Put it inside the pom-pom, and now you pull it tight, and then we do a triple knot. And that's it. Now your pom-pom is done and you can attach it to your beanie. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.